taking a quick look with me at what we have to offer for your health course. Now, Hales has been around for a long time, is updated, and really is hitting the mark on what students need in this class today. So over here is our table of contents, and we call it the learning path. And as I go through things, realize this is very customizable. You can add things, you can delete things, you can hide things. It can be integrated into your Moodle or LMS system. All right. So we can pick any chapter over here, and it's going to be kind of set up the same way. We'll have our learning objectives, and then it has the ebook. All this is available, delivered to your students through inclusive access at a $50 price tag. So students can highlight things in here, and then all these highlights are going to go over to their study center here, so they can study the highlights. But what's also very nice is you, the instructor, can highlight something in orange, and that highlight goes to all the students. Same can be done with notes. Another nice feature is the text can be read to the students just by clicking here. It'll read it to them. There is a mobile app, so they could be on their phones and either read the book or listen to the book as maybe they're exercising. So that's an extremely quick look at the ebook. Now, students tend not to read things the way you would like, so we do have some activities here throughout the book that they can do that just check the concepts. Very simple, couple questions on each section. These can be set up for grade or for practice. All right, review it are just some review questions that they would need to answer. Well, first, we'll go to the supply it. Okay, this is kind of the meat of some things that are interesting. I'm not going to click on many of these, but this would just be a self-survey they take and get some results. Here's a scenario that they would read and then answer to get things going. Okay, they'd make their answer, then it kind of gives them the consequences of it and takes them on to that next area. So there's going to be that type of question. There's going to be video questions, and all the video questions do is they take a current video. Students will watch it. Okay, this video is only a minute. Sometimes they're as long as 3 to 5, and then they answer some questions. The Global Health Watch is great if you want to try to keep things up to date and current in your classroom. So what it does is it takes an article that they'll link to, and then they'll answer questions. So they'll link out to this article at our Gale catalog area. This happens to be from Prevention Magazine 2019. Now, what's nice is once they're there, they could go up here, they can search for any article they want or any topic and find all sorts of information from Gale. All right. So those are the main areas in here. And then there's some review questions, flashcards for terms, and a test. And these wouldn't really be used as tests, but can be gradable assignments. So it doesn't really matter what chapter I click on. We'll have our objectives. We'll have the chapters with some activities. We'll have our apply it's, where there's a survey and a video and a global health watch. So once you kind of understand how a chapter works, they're all the same. Now, I'm not sure if you do much with diet and analyzing diet, wellness, change of behavior, but we do have a diet and wellness software that's excellent. So I can also show that to you in more detail if you would like. So if you're looking to update your materials, make them a little more accessible to your students and relatable and save money, let me know and we'll show you how. Thanks for your time.